now we'll see control statements. Control statements in the sense some people have already some knowledge on control statements. I mean, if you people have already worked on Java or Python or C++, control statements will be familiar for you. What is the use of control statements and in which situation we are using the control statements? Mostly all programming languages allow control statements. Same like here also in Linux environment, so we are calling as a shell scripts. In shell scripts we are writing the control statements. I'll show. I have already created one folder bash scripts. In the folder these all are the different control statements. In control statements, so first of all we should have to know um, how we can print a basic print statement in the shell script. In Python we are writing anything in .py extension. Okay, same like in Java, whatever the file we are saving in sorry dot Java extension. Okay, based on the programming language the extension will be changing. Here also whatever the scripts we are writing, the scripts it's related to shell scripts. That means .sh files. I'll show you. So hello.sh, this is the first one. Yeah, you can see here I want to print a simple hello world. In Python, it's a print hello world, but in Linux, it's echo hello. Whatever the I mean, whatever the word you want to print. If you want to add any elements or multiplication, so this is the dollar symbol. By using this dollar symbol, we can perform operations, and it's a variable driven. So you can see here where I have aligned, I mean, I have assigned it to some word here. So world, I'm trying to print the same value what I have assigned here. Okay. Next, if you want to read values dynamically based on the user acceptance, you can use this method. Simply in C language, it's a simply scanf. Printf will print and scanf will scan the element based on user requirement. Here also will be the same. Okay. Python also we have methods. In Java also we have methods, dynamically driven methods. Let me run this. How we can run this shell scripts? Okay, simply sh. If it is a Python, simply we are using python and we can run the respective Python file. Here in shell script we can simply run sh dot, yeah, you can see first I'm trying to print hello. So you can see here hello. Okay. Next 2 plus 3 5. Next I'm trying to print world. So you can see world. Next I am entering a number dynamically from user acceptance level. So I am giving 10. Again it will ask next number. Okay, by using this read keyword it will store the value into the respective variable. Next I am giving 20. While I am entering, automatically echo sum of number 1 and number 2 is sum of the value. You can see here this is the output. This is the first statement. Next, yeah, we have different types of the control statements. First of all, everyone aware if and else. So here what if else will do. Let me do cat. Yeah, I have taken two numbers. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. If A greater than B. So this is the representation in Linux environment. Okay, let me show you what are all the different types of Linux folder. So yeah, here you can see this is equal to symbol, this is not equal to symbol, this is greater than, this is less than. Okay, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and operators. Okay, equal, not equal, string is empty and string is not empty, and operation. Next or, parallel will be the or. Okay, next file underscore f will be the file. Next underscore d will be the directory, and underscore e file is exist or not. Next loops, and this is date formats related. Okay, if we want to convert any specific date format in SQL, also we have seen ddYYMM related, we can do this. Same like based on our requirement related, we can use the criteria options. Here you can see what I am doing. Sorry, variable a is greater than variable b. If a is greater than b, simply, I mean, what I'm trying to print, a is greater than b. If not, b is greater than, sorry, a is not greater than b. In our use case, b is greater. So we'll execute the else block. This is the syntax. If next condition, then echo, same like a print, else. This is the end statement. Okay. If we are declaring anything, we should have, I mean, we should have to end with fi. Let me run this. Instead of cat, if I do sh, it will print 10 is not greater than 20 in our use case. Yeah, satisfied. Same like if else completed. Next, else if. Else if in the sense, else if ladder. If we want to use multiple, for example, whatever the number I have assigned, this is the else if ladder. More than one use case. Here you can see number is greater than 10, sorry, number is less than 10. Again, I am using the else if ladder for conditional checking on the same element. For example, I will tell you use cases. Okay, a student have, I mean, student got the marks. Student wants to know in which cadre he belonged to. I mean, cadre in the sense grade, A grade, B grade, C grade, same like that. He got the marks. Based on the marks, he will be aligned to some other grades. So here also number is equal to 15. So here number is less than 10. Okay, this is excluded. I mean, this will be skipped. Next, number equal to 10. So this is also will be skipped. Again, number is greater than 10. So our use case is number is greater than 10. Let me run this. Yeah, number is greater than 10. This is else if ladder. So you can write multiple else if case, I'm sorry, multiple else if statements here, just like as ladder. Okay. Next, nested if else. Nested if else, we have discussed nested queries in the SQL. Same like nested if else means we can use else if queries, I mean if else queries inside the if else condition, that is called nested if else. I'll show you. So this is the if condition. Again, in if condition I am using this. So we can call this is nested if else. In else if ladder use case, we are not using this if else structure. We have else if ladder is there. Okay, you can see here above, else if ladder is different, and nested if else is different. So let me run this. I need not, okay, let, okay, enter a number. What is the number I am trying to give from the user? Based on that it will make a decision. Okay, let me run the sh. I am giving 10. So here you can see whatever the number I have given, first it will check the condition. Number is greater than 0. Yes. Next, again, number is less than 10. No, this is not. This condition will be skipped and automatically it will come to here. Okay, number is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, correct. So number have satisfied in this use case. If you want to add multiple nested if else, you can write in else block also. We can call as a block. This is the if block and this is the else block. Okay. Next, after completion of this if else, we have loops in Python and Java and some other programming languages also. We have loops concept. Okay, in which use case we are using the loops means mostly iterative statements we are calling as a loops. Here we have supporting three types of loops. First one is the for loop, second one is the while loop, and third one will be the until loop. Okay, a lot of people might have already knowledge on for loop and while loop. Let me show you. Cat. Okay, this is for loop. You can see here we can use two ways. First one is for I in 1 2 3 4 5, the declaration part. Next to do echo number, whatever the number you want to print you can print. Next, this is also same method, but you can see the difference while I am running. Yeah, you can see by using this first method, you can see each value will print 1 2 3 4 5. By using this method, you can see only whatever the values you have declared, those values. Some people, I mean, if you have some knowledge on Python range function, this is also same like a Python range function. If you are using the Python range function for printing the value, you can see range of 1 comma 5. If you have, if you want to try, you can try from your side. This is about the for loop. Next, while loop. Yeah, so same like while loop also, it's a iterative statement. Here I am declaring count is equal to 1. I am checking the condition here while count is less than 5. Until unless the condition satisfy, it will print the value. Again it will increase the value. What it will do, it will print the value. First it will print to 1 because 1 is less than 5, condition satisfied. Next it will print the value, and again the value will be increased to 2. Next again it will go to here and it will check for the condition 2. 2 is less than 5, satisfied. Same like loop will be iterative until unless this condition met. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see up to 5, sorry, less than or equal to 1 2 3 4 5. You can see here this is while loop. Okay, next we have until loop. I'll show you. This is also same like while loop only. You can see first it will check for the condition, again it will iterate same like while. Instead of while I am using until the condition met. It will iterate and if condition exceed, that means it doesn't meet the criteria, automatically it will exceed from the loop. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5. You can use anything, either you might use for loop or until or while, anything is fine, but regularly we are using for and while most widely. Okay, after completion of the iterative statements, yeah, this is one example I'll show you. If you want to check what is the use case of these iterative statements or conditional control loops. So, okay, if you want to check the file is exist or not in a specific directory, here you can give the directory, and you want to search for a specific file, you can search by using this -f for file searching. File exist or not, you can see here. If I run this, here file is not available, that's why you can't see anything. Yeah, file test file is not exist in specific path. Just remember guys, whatever the folder you are running, it will search for the specific file path only. Let me try to create here. By using touch command, I am trying to create the file. Okay, file has created. Yeah, file exists. It will search for whatever the working directory you are doing. Okay, if you want to give a specific path, you can give the specific path like this. It will search for in a specific path level. Okay, this is the examples of usage of control statements. Next we have Case statements also, I'll show you case statements. Yeah, if you want to print more than one choices in SQL also, we have seen case statements. We can derive another use case. For example, in SQL we have salary field. Based on the salary field, we have created some other fields like salary low grade, salary high grade, based on the range searching between. And same like here also, whatever the choice you have given, based on that it will make the specific decision. Same like else if. Here also same like else if use case, whatever you have selected it will print the same. Let me run this. Yeah, it's my user choice, I am giving A, so you have selected option A. This is the case statement. By using the case statement we can select whatever the specific required option.